The Chief Executive Member of the Jhadc Autonomous District Council, Thombor Shivat, today tabled the deficit budget for the financial year 2023-2024 on the first day of the budget session. The budget estimated revenue of over Rs 174 crore, while estimated expenditure stood at over 205 crore, leading to the budget deficit of more than 30 crore 60 lakh rupees. The CEM, Shivat, also in charge of finance, informed the House that the deficit in the budget is due to various reasons, such as increase in salary due to annual increment and dearness allowance of all employees, pensioners and family pensioners of the Council, with the implementation of the Jhadc Autonomous District Council Members Pensions Act 2019. The other main highlight of the session was the Jhadc Autonomous District Trading by Non-Tribal First Amendment Rules 2023 was placed by the executive member in charge trading by non-tribal Winning Sungo before the House.
Which were estimate receipt of rupees 174 crore 59 lakh at 8,400.
The Mass Media Department of St. Anthony's